From the unknown, I ran away. I don't think I'm coming back home. Whoa. Like a crossface, it's a dark place. Brianamccalip,
the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Brianamccalip, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Brianamccalip.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a sponsored video featuring Kisslove Hair. In the bag, I received a wig cap, a baby hair brush, a wrap to basically melt down the lace, and some lashes. Now this is the wig, y'all. I received a 13x4 HD lace, 22 inch, and it is 180% density, y'all. So this is how it looks. Bomb. Like, all the hairs that I have been receiving have been really bomb lately. Look at that. Look at that lace. And I can't wait to put this on my hair. Y'all seen in the beginning. But let me tell y'all, the install was bomb. So I did go ahead and bleach and plug off camera like I always do. And I will get into a plucking video probably in another sponsored tutorial from them. And I'm going to show y'all exactly how I plucked the hair, but I definitely plucked and bleached off camera. Now I'm just basically molding and shaping it to where I want it to be. It's definitely in the middle part, so you know that's where I want it to be. However, I'm just trying to see how everything is laying. So I have to mold it with some a wax stick, and also hot comb it. It's perfect, y'all. Y'all see them hairs? Period. So I'm taking the Claro stick. This is a dye stick, basically like a semi dye stick, and I just basically made that part down the middle. I like it better than actually spraying it, and then sometimes the spray don't get exactly that middle part as crisp as possible, like you want it to be. So I like using this. So now I'm just basically face framing the hair, shaping it up, because I don't want it to be all one length when I curl. I want it to have some layers. So you can definitely chop this up as much as you want. So that's what I'm doing, because I want this hair to sit. Okay, I want it to sit. I want the curls to sit. But I know if mama came out here and did this, girl, them curls will sit for the girls. They don't get me wrong, my curls are sitting for the girls, but mama know what she's doing. Okay, I would have added some baby hairs too, y'all, but I just wanted it to be like a just no baby hairs, like none at all. So I'm not gonna talk through this one. This is me curling the hair and pinning it. I always curl and pin the hair because I do makeup and it takes hours, so I don't want the curls to fall. So I'm using my red 1-inch curling iron, and I'm going to do this whole process. Y'all gonna see me do it. Y'all not gonna see me do it every curl, but y'all gonna see me do these curls, y'all. And then that is how you do it. You just basically curl it, hold the heat to the hair, and clip it. And that's it. You're gonna do this all over the head, okay? If y'all want a more in-depth curling tutorial, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll definitely give it to you all. But until then, I hope y'all enjoy these curls, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next segment.
from the
the last pin. Okay, look at that. Ooh, pretty. So my idea for the baby hairs to be left out didn't go as planned, so I had to leave it sleek like that and not do no baby hairs. Honestly, in my head, I was thinking I was gonna do baby hairs, but when I laid this baby down, it was no. So right here, I'm just basically looking on each side to see where I'm going to cut my ear tabs off, because I like how when you pull your hair to the back or behind your ears, I love that look. It's just giving really cute, flirty, oh, them type of babs. Y'all know what I mean. Okay, so I cut the tabs, and now I'm just basically adding my glue so I can lay this down. This is I'm Erica J glue in the smell watermelon, and I also went off camera and applied some ruby kisses to my lace front so that it can match with my skin. But this is HD lace, y'all, so it should just automatically do that. And I'm just basically waiting to till the glue dries clear, and then I just put it down. So it dried clear, and I'm just basically molding it right to that glue, and then I add my band, y'all. So I added my band off camera before I cut it, and then I set it to dryer for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that it can be completely dry. Now I'm cutting this off, y'all. Y'all gonna see the melts. Y'all see this as I'm cutting it. So right here, like I said, I wanted to have the baby hairs, and I should have just went around it, even though I felt like the lace would have been too much on my forehead. I like to pull my lace back a little bit. I don't really like my lace to be too down, because it was like, maybe we're not gonna have that. So I had to cut the baby hairs off. Like, it was just necessary to cut the baby hairs off, because I could not be walking around looking like that. No. We is not gonna do that. So I did my eyeshadow, and now it was time to do the face. So this is how it melted, y'all. Y'all see that? Ooh. Alright, y'all, so now it's time to take the curls out. I'm feeling this look. Alright, y'all, this is the final step before I get to actually take my hot comb and mold everything down. Is to take out the pin curls so you can see the curls for the girls, okay? They were definitely really pretty, and they were sitting, but that's all I did. You're gonna see me talk more besides a voiceover. But I'm just taking the curls out right here, and y'all, I hope that y'all enjoyed this. Let me know, give us a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see y'all on the outro. Okay, so I went ahead and hot combed on the top so they can be like flat. So the wig. And now, I'm just basically I'm trying to play with it to try to get it where I want it, you know. Y'all so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed this hairstyle that I did, y'all. Look at it. Ooh. It's so cute. So, if y'all want the links to everything, please go check down the description right below. The links to the hair, the links to the store, everything will be down there. Don't forget to go check out Kisslove Hair in the description right below. And until then, we'll see y'all on my next sponsored hair tutorial.